Everybody, thank you for your comments. You always very encouraging to me. I'm sorry for question 13. Thanks for your comments. I realize I make some 101 baby mistake. Okay, so first of all, metal should be positive ion should be cation ion. Sorry, so it should be anion bye and ion bye. Okay, and then why it is mirable? It means that you remember it can make thin layers, long thin layers. It is similar to the other one called the tail. Okay, it means you can make it as a narrow thin line of metal. Both of them has the same reason why we can do it, because in metal they are actually inside microscopic theory. They have layers. Okay, and layers of them you can make them spread apart a little bit. So you can make them thin, or you can make them long, narrow. So layers of cation. So where is the answer? Strong. Why? If the force is strong, how can you pull them apart easily, right? Right? It must be some kind of a non-directional bond. So any direction, they can still bond to each other. Okay, and then they can slide apart. Okay, so the word strong is the hints that you shouldn't choose. Okay, right? If it is strong, how can you put them apart? Okay, so the answer is C. Right? You guys are fantastic. Okay, thanks for your support and comments. Okay, see you.